The Food and Drug Administration has just approved its first blood test for colorectal cancer screening. The company that makes the test, called Shield, said in a statement this is a promising step toward making more convenient tools available to detect colorectal cancer early while it is more easily treated. This may also be the first to meet requirements for Medicare reimbursement for qualifying patients. Joining me now to discuss this and other medical headlines of the day, Dr. William Schaffner, professor of preventive medicine, health policy, and infectious diseases at Vanderbilt University. Doctor, good to see you. How significant is this?
Oh, Lindsay, this is exciting, right? A new advance, science marches on, doing the basic research that then is able to develop practical things that help us to make an early diagnosis of colon cancer. Any of us who've had colonoscopies sure wish that we had an easier test that might give us an early clue whether or not we had colon cancer. We'll see how well this can be implemented, but I'm optimistic and would like to see it used widely. Early diagnosis leads to early treatment. Early treatment can actually cure many cases of colon cancer.
But this certainly isn't replacing the colonoscopy, at least not yet.
No, not yet, but any step that we can do to make an early diagnosis, to bring more people to screening for colon cancer, is a step in the right direction.
Doctor, another blood test making headlines this week is found to be 90% effective in determining if certain memory loss is caused by Alzheimer's disease. What can you tell us about how the test works, why this is so groundbreaking, and what hurdles it still has to overcome?
Well, look at this. This is a wonderful way to begin the week. Here we have another illness that is a matter of great concern to many, many families in this country. Making the diagnosis of Alzheimer's disease currently is, in many cases, largely clinical. And here we have an additional test that can help us kind of get closer to making a more specific diagnosis. That will help a lot of families plan as their older members and sometimes even middle-aged members move into the Alzheimer's risk age group.
What does current detection being mostly clinical mean?
Well, it means that patients have to develop symptoms and family doctors and internists assess the patient clinically to see whether they have Alzheimer's disease rather than looking for a specific laboratory test, such as we have for many other illnesses that will definitively say whether they have early Alzheimer's disease. So this may help more clearly define illnesses.
Where is this in the timeline of becoming mainstream?
It's still early days. So let's be optimistic and hope that this can be an addition. And as we start to roll it out, let's see and evaluate exactly how effective it is once we start to use it in the general population. It's great to have the results of the rigorous clinical tests that lead to FDA licensure, but then we have to see how well we can actually implement it, as they say, in the real world. That's the next step. But both of these tests have to get into those general populations to see how well we can implement them and how helpful they can be. So further studies on the road.
Dr. William Schaffner, thank you.
Thank you.